If your vehicle has been involved in a car accident, or you need auto body work for state inspection, or you simply wish to beautify your car, truck, or SUV, you're invited to call the Greenfield Body Shop serving the residents of Northampton, Massachusetts. Please call us at 413-774-3101 to schedule your auto body repair today. Bob Cartellis Auto Body Shop serving Northampton, Massachusetts will deliver your vehicle back to you in the pre-crash condition or better. Call us at 413-774-3101 before you call anyone else. Bob Cartelli's friendly and knowledgeable staff will take the very best care of your vehicle and in a fast turnaround time. Call the professional staff at Bob Cartellis of the Greenfield Body Shop. Call us at 413-774-3101 to schedule your appointment for auto body repair serving Northampton, Massachusetts. Auto Body Shop, Northampton, Massachusetts.